Joseph Fulmer here. I would love to thank all of you guys who clicked that subscribe button. Yesterday we just passed 600 subscribers. I want to see that number keep going, so guys, please keep on slamming that subscribe button for me. If you've already subscribed, make sure you hit the notification bell. That way you get your post notifications every time I post a new video. And as always, if you have any questions, put them in the comments section. I'd be more than happy to answer them. And don't forget to rate it when it's all over with. Today, I've got a 13 F-150. Customer complaint is when you turn the blower on, it's really noisy, probably vibrating. I haven't actually checked that part out yet, but it does make some noise. I'm going to show you what the complaint is real quick. So, I'm going to sit you guys down here. I know you can't see anything, but I'm going to try and get you the best sound that I can. Oh, here. Turn the key on. And we'll turn the blower speed up. Okay. Alright, so you can definitely tell there's something going on in there. Real quick, I'm going to get this blower pulled apart. We're going to see what we find. Chances are, with this cold weather we've had lately, something managed to make its way in here and build a nest. We're going to have to clean it out. So we'll get the blower pulled out. It's actually pretty easy on this one. I'll show you as we go, and we'll see what we've got going on. This right here is a plug-in. That's our plug-in. That is our blower motor. So we're going to unbolt it. Oh goodness. All right. Well, nothing came running out. That's always a plus. That is not good. Alright guys, so this, I don't know how well, that is what was in there throwing that blower motor out of balance. Now, how that broke off, I don't know. But I believe that is part of one of the duct doors. So, get the blower motor back in there. That should fix that problem. I was waiting for something to come jumping out at me. I thought it'd be a little more exciting than that. As you can see, that was what was stuck in there. Looks like it's part of one of the doors inside the ductwork that either changes the air temperature or the recirculation. I don't know, but I'm going to say it was probably recirculation since it ended up in the blower. All your doors and your ductwork are downstream of the blower for blend and everything else, so temperature blend, that sort of thing. So I'm going to say that was probably off the recirculation door. That's how it ended up in the blower. We'll get the blower back in it and make sure our vibration is gone, which it should be, and then we'll run through all the modes and see if we can figure out which one's not acting right. So come on, we'll get that blower put back together. Okay, you saw how I rolled the carpet back. You almost have to roll the carpet back in the pad in order to get enough room to get that blower in. I was expecting a small furry creature to come flying out at me. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll have to figure out exactly where this came from later, because I do believe that to dig into that, I'm going to have to actually pull the dash out of this truck so that I can get the blower box out. But I do believe this is from the recirculation door, so his heat and air conditioning function should work just fine. He just may not have the ability to actuate the recirculation door, which is not a major malfunction. He still has heat and air at this point in time. If you have any questions about what I just did, go ahead and drop in the comment section. This is the first time I've seen one of these break off, but a lot of times I have seen rodents get in there, make a nest, maybe drop an acorn or something, crawl in, drop an acorn down in the blower and throw it out of balance. Or every now and then, on older vehicles especially, you get a broken vane in the blower and that'll throw the blower out of balance. So that's how easy it is to pull the blower out, guys. Most of the time they're not that difficult. Some of them have more screws in it than this one did. But like I said, if you got any questions, drop in the comment section. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell if you haven't already. And don't forget, get out there and get your hands dirty. You might just have a little bit of fun doing it. We'll see you on the next one.